Hello. Yes, today we have a bisque day. Very easy, very simple, 2 minutes, finished. Yes. So, I made plates.
By hand?
Yeah, that's a hand build. That's a hand build plates. And since my kiln is very small, but I like it anyway, then there aren't so many things that I load in here, but still. See, 1, 2.
How did you make it?
I took a plate that we have that we bought like in a store that I like, but it's like, you know, like the plates that you get from China. Not that I have anything against the Chinese, but I like my plates, so I decided that I'm gonna do it, and so I rolled clay. I put plastic how do you call it, the plastic roll,
Wrap.
the plastic wrap on the plate, and then I put the clay on top, and I do like that with a wet sponge. Plate. I like it. It's simple. This I have a girl student coming, so this is what she made. It's very cute. I like it. I think that if you want to talk about this, I think she's about 5 years old, and the thing that I was really teaching her was not the form or the shape. It's just that I really wanted her to make something that she can make it smooth at the edges, to work very like slowly, to take her time and not to be like dun, 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 you know, and then finished with the product or whatever, and then it looks like a 1-year-old made it. So I was very happy about her. This I made, you know what for? This is for earbud.
Earbuds.
Yes, I know
No,
they're
okay.
not so good to use, but I like using them, so I made
Not
this.
earbuds, the
Q-tips?
Q-tips. Yeah.
Q-tips, yes. Okay. Okay. Now that I actually made on the wheel. 1, 2. Oh, and I want to show you how I loaded them. Plates are very hard to make, very, very hard to make, because you can make a plate and then it's gonna change the balance and the shape of because of the heat. It needs to be on flat surface. The flat bottom needs to be on a flat surface. So how do I make space? I put one like this facing down and one on top. So this way I know the bottom, even the second firing with the glaze, it's going to be flat. And it's not going to rock on the, it's not going to be disbalanced, or it's going to be like shaky on the table.
And you did a new manta.
Oh, I made a new manta because the manta that I made before broke, so I have to have my manta. Manta are important to maintain, to keep, to save the animals and marine life. Yes. Now you got the whole thing on one leg. That's also something that she made. Her name is Lenny. And this is something that she made.
Like a cup?
Yeah. And this and that. She wanted to make something that you could actually drink from it, and this is also something that I taught her how to smoothen the inside, and I thought it was very important
So it's
lesson.
coils?
Yeah, coils. Now, that's the 4th plate of this. As I said, it's gonna be really easy peasy, this thing. And I think this is the last bunch. This is one, and this is the last one. You see, they're not. I really wanted them to be the same size, but it never. You know, I measure the weight. I think they were about how much did I use? I think 700 grams of each piece of clay, and this came out like this like that, and
So you don't use a caliber?
No. You see, but these three came out fine. This, I think something, I don't remember what happened when I made this, but I didn't want to give up on it and throw it away. I mean, not throw it away, to recycle the clay. So I said, fine, I'm just going to keep it and I'm going to deal with it. But these three are, see? Take a picture.
Yeah.
They're almost the same size. I'm quite happy about it. So, this is it for today, guys. I made it short. Don't forget, do not support genocide. Do not support genocide. And be on the right side of history. It is very important to be on the right side of the history. Be pro-humanity and peace. Maya from Cyprus. If you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.